everybody. I am at Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca, Mexico. I bought really fresh caught fish from fishermen directly and I fillet it. I'm going to make really delicious, kind of spicy, seasoned raw fish in Korean, hoe-muchim. I'm so excited because I haven't eaten Korean food for a while. This is snapper, only 8 ounce. 8 ounce snapper, really fresh. It has to be fresh. Okay, I'm going to slice this. So this is nice fillet. And add to cold water. And I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon vinegar. This is around 2 cups of water to make this fish slightly cooked and also very firm. Let's make a seasoning sauce. Ginger first, around a half teaspoon amount. Large garlic cloves. Garlic and ginger. Next, gochugaru, Korean hot pepper flakes. I brought from home. 1/4 cup vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup. 고추장 1/4 cup. Rice syrup around 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Just 1 teaspoon soy sauce and half teaspoon salt. Sweet, sour, salty kind of sauce. It's like a paste. Lettuce, maybe 4 or 5. So lettuce and slice this. And this is cucumber, about 1 cup. So I'm going to cut into matchsticks. We need some red color carrot. I happen to buy really huge onion, just only 1/4 cup amount. Slice. This is about 1/4 cup. Serrano pepper, very, very spicy. Absolutely, you need this flavor. I will use just only 1. Vegetables. I couldn't find the perilla leaves. If you find the perilla leaves in your area, just use that some, like around a dozen leaves. But I gotta make this hoe-muchim, so just colorful vegetable, that's it. Oh, my 된장찌개 is boiling. I'm going to add some zucchini. I found zucchini yesterday. You see, this is an anchovy pouch. I brought the anchovy and put it in the pouch. Now, green stuff. So zucchini and green chili pepper. 3 more minutes cooking, that's it. This fish, little bit kind of opaque because of vinegar. And squeeze out all excessive water. And put it here. Add this. I will just leave some, just in case it's too spicy. And we need sesame oil, about 2 tablespoons, generously. Sesame seeds, about 1 tablespoon. And mix. Oh, wow, looks good. I'm going to add more. Serve like this. Just you can serve this just as a side dish for alcohol when you drink beer or soju, makgeolli, but usually I eat with rice. I kept this bowl in the refrigerator. That's why it really looks cool. Look at this. I need some 된장찌개 and kimchi. So this is pouch, anchovy pouch. Discard. 된장찌개. And let's go. With rice. That's it. Cheers, everybody. The fish is very soft. Sweet sour sauce with some little bit rice and lots of sesame oil. It smells so good. And the texture is so good. It's like a kind of a spicy poke. Today, I showed you how to make hoe-muchim in Mexico, spicy raw fish. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.